Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you are watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you are watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow and a thumbs up. Our raspberry bush, is it really over? Are there any berries? I don't see any. That's it then. No more berries. 2025 raspberry bush. Oh wait, look, still a bundle here. Okay, I guess we're not done. Yes, well, the sun's getting up later and later. I'm not impressed with the changing seasons. Ah yes, our failed fermented pickles that went maggoty, so we had to throw out. And our pepper plant, the weird one that produced one pepper. Pitiful. That's okay. It's not like I needed more peppers. I don't even need these tomatoes. Well, I guess what few tomatoes I have here, I could make a little sauce. And then bring it down to a paste. And the paste I do need to cook with. Of course, I pay for it every time I do. I'm getting some color in them. Interesting. Which I've just been using for canning. Well, after the rain we had a couple of days ago, a very short amount of rain, looks like the plants decided that they were going to go full mildew on me, so to do a bit of a turmeric spray yesterday. Here's our giant sunflower. Just keeps growing and growing. Hasn't started to flower yet, not like the one up front. And there, you can see how healthy looking the leaves are, and all the spottiness from the mildew. I mean, not much I could do. Just went bananas, eh? But the turmeric spray with the milk in it, protein to give some strength to the leaves, and just to try to save the plant a little more, or else all these leaves would be, well, they'd all be going like this by the end of the day. This will give them a few more days. Oh, look, another zucchini. Wonderful. I'm picking them and pecking them and eating them and eating them. And canning them and canning them. I've been blessed with so many zucchinis. How's the soil? Dry? Oh, it's dry too. I gave the plants a break yesterday. Didn't water them because of the extra rain and the extra watering they'd had before. Well, the carrot soil is dry. How's the squash soil? Oh, there's moisture in there. Well, the beans, again, just a handful. Fried up with carrots and garlic and simmered in soy sauce. And our potatoes in the ground continue to propagate wonderfully compared to the ones in the box that I've started to harvest. Because the tops, some of them have started to die off, so I'll go for those first. Not all of them. See, some of them are still hanging on. onion bed, which has been harvested and replanted. And of course, we have all these onion shoots whenever we want, and the giant kale plant. Which I mostly eat as crispy kale. It's not in the mood for kale salads this summer, I guess. Well, our squash box has grown me a few errant zucchinis because some zucchini seeds got mixed up in it. So we have a few giant zucchinis, like that. Pretty sure that's a giant zucchini. The small ones that I've been collecting and canning. That's a giant zucchini. That should be one of them skinny, dark green ones. Just sucking the food out of that vine. Probably just cut them. But I'm waiting for more. Oh, I think I saw, yeah, right there. Zucchini. And like that. That's a zucchini. That should not have gotten to that stage. Oh, look. Pollinators are out. Good. Get to work. And is there... No? Okay. Well, a lot more flowering again this morning. Speaking to somebody at the grocery store yesterday, they were worried because they're mostly getting these, most of the male plants. I said, well, when you spot your fruit, just break this off and then pollinate. Pollinate the fruit flower. Don't wait for the bugs to do it for you, but you're always going to get more of the males. Okay, well, squash box is, you know, it's mid-August, so it's doing its thing. I have had bigger leaf coverage over the squash box. Looks like we did not accomplish as much upper leaf coverage as I thought. But then again, it's been a weird growing season. A little chillier in June than it should have been. Well, and we know that the heat, even though it was hot, it hasn't been that hot because there's still water in the dish that I sometimes put in to see how the evaporation is going to go, and also if I leave it empty when it's going to rain, to see how much rain I get. All right, let's go to the front and have a look at Butch. Well, our little lavender plant. Oh, it's a nice scent every morning. And our pumpkin plant is doing its thing. Doing the vine, doing the pumpkin. Very nice. And our giant sunflower just starting to bloom. And how's the zucchini plant doing? Did we have success? Nope, didn't. All of them. 1, 2, 3 of those zucchinis in there did not. Well, look, that one's flowers closed, it's still yellow. There's still chances for the others. Like this, look at you. Very nice. The multi-headed sunflower. Our leaves are doing very well. This banana water is doing, oh look, milkweed. Out you go. Ah! Where did you come from? Right. So watch where I'm walking. Especially our poor recovering plant. Oh, he's just getting right in there. Then we get these other bugs in there, right? Well, we see the flowering happening on our morning glories as they continue to climb. Oh, look, he's trying to get after the plant. I'll have to keep an eye on that today. Don't want that vine coming in and choking. Oh yeah, look at this, eh? You guys are just crazy. Uh-oh. Oh, it looks like it is getting in there. Oh yeah, okay. Going to have to save a pumpkin from the morning glories. All right, pumpkin plants saved. Yes. Yeah, so, yeah, our little vining activity that buried here and got some roots going. And that saved it from this. And so far, the plant has been living. So we might get another pumpkin out of that. I have pumpkin all winter long from the canned stuff. It's delicious. Good source of magnesium. A side dish. And our morning glories just growing wonderfully. Even on our other side. Showed this one a couple of days back. But get some morning glory action. All right. Well, thanks for coming out. If you hung out right till the end, really appreciate it. As you can see, our front box is getting very active. Could use a few extra sunflowers, but this will do. All right. Again, thanks for coming out. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.